Now that we've seen what the trigonometric ratios are, let's use them to find the unknown sides of a triangle. Here I'm going to draw a right triangle that we can use as an example. That makes it a right triangle. Right here, I'm going to say that this angle is 35 degrees. And let's say that this side is an unknown length. And since it's the unknown, I'm going to put my variable there. Suppose that we know that this side is 8 units long. Maybe it's 8 feet, or maybe it's 8 inches. We want to try to find what is the value of x. So to do that, let's use the correct trigonometric ratio. I know that I can use this funny sounding word to find the right ratio to use. SOHCAHTOA. Let's check. If this is my angle, then that means that across from the angle is the opposite. And if this is the right angle, across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. So in this problem I have an opposite and a hypotenuse. Which of these uses an opposite and a hypotenuse? This one does not use a hypotenuse. This one does not use an opposite. This one does use an opposite and a hypotenuse, and the S stands for the sine. So this is the sine of 35 is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is x over 8. Now we want to solve for x. To solve for x, we'll just multiply both sides by 8 to cancel out the 8 on the right side. So now I have 8 times the sine of 35 degrees is equal to x. Sometimes people like to write that in the reversed way, so x is equal to 8 times the sine of 35 degrees, which you could type into your calculator to get the answer to the nearest tenth.